Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Rivers crisis worsens as even, all calls in Abuja now is that Wike should resign. Wike, as they are protesting for him to leave Abuja, is causing problem in his own homeland, Rivers State. Wike now backs the lawmakers, replace speaker, slam every allegation on Fubara. Wike now is saying it's Fubara that is causing what is happening to him to happen. Yes, on Wike is not focusing on the main issue. If you look at what is happening, you begin to wonder if Wike has taken a deep breath to just consider, look at things more objectively rather than victimizing people and saying this person is the cause of my problem. There's a lot of things going on right now, I can tell you for free. And if we really sincerely want this nation to be better, every single person, we need to what? Arise and ensure that the truth is revealed. Yes, on Wike, as we speak, has become a man. So many people are wondering, was this the same person we thought he was? Initially, we thought Wike was a very, sincere person. However, it does not feel very much like that with his recent disposition. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Rivers crisis worsens as Wike-backed lawmakers replace speaker, slam heavy allegations on Fubara. Lawmakers loyal to Federal Capital Territory FCT Minister Nyesom Wike connived and has met in a closed-door preliminary section under tight security at the Assembly Complex on Moscow Road in Port Harcourt in deference of a court order. During the closed-door preliminary, accusations were levied against Governor Fubara for allegedly withholding funds designated for the House of Assembly operations in November. The factional speaker, Martins, representing Obe and Akbaro local government area, revealed this development during the section. However, addressing his colleagues, forwarding the passage of the House of Assembly Fund Management Financial Autonomy B 2023, second reading, and subsequent adopt all lawmakers who contributed to the debate expressed their support for the bill. The Speaker announced the referee for the bill to the House of Committee on public accounts for a public hearing and further legislative scrutiny. In a statement before committee, the bill for public hearing, the Speaker and the Governor, Sir Fubara, has withheld the funds meant for the Assembly for the month of November 2023, but it is the resolve of the Assembly to perform its constitutional function despite the distraction. Additionally, the lawmakers conducted a by-election to fill the vacant position resulting from removal of Ebe of the majority leader and now factional speaker, leading to the pro-Fubara lawmaker, Major Jack. The former chief whip was elected as the new majority leader, and Franklin Nowochi assumed the role of chief whip. These newly elected principal officers represent Akoko Koro constituency. I and Ogbe Ebelma constituency are in the assembly. These people are loyal to Wike, and this is what is going on. Saying Fubara, is the one who has made things the way they are. When you continue to undermine leadership because you feel you brought it there, you're not doing well, both in this realm and even in the spiritual realm. Whether you like it or not, you may be the one who have assisted the person to get to that place. There is what we call the office. It's not about the person. And you must be careful how you handle such an individual in such an office. If you don't do it well, you are only positioning and putting yourself in a bad light. Time will tell. You are only sowing a seed. And guess what? These seeds look small when you sow them in whatever capacity. But when the seeds grow up and you are to reap, I can assure you for free, it's not what you planted that will come back. It's beyond, it is above and beyond that you will get as a recompense for your hard work. When you, Wike, who told us once that you don't like godfatherism, when Oshomole and Obaseki issue was on and all that, and suddenly you are the chairman of godfatherism. And by the way, we are not saying this to say that Fubara is a saint. No. Before Fubara became the governor, he had cases with EFCC. Please go and investigate. But you assisted him to get to that position. Why not respect the office and do what you need to do rather than afflict him and make it unbearable? Whether you like it or not, you are sowing a seed. These are the people we call leaders. Nigerians, see for yourself. Now he's the one taking charge, of the house, and you think you are doing well. If nobody tells you, if you know Wike, please get the message to him. Because a man on the part of, when a dog, they want loss, the master go blow whistle tire. He go blow, the yell is on his way. He's on his what? He's on the highway. He's just going. You cannot hear the sound of the whistle. Why? Destruction is around the corner. It's very close by. So every single one of us must understand what is going on. Don't do that to people. Yes, you helped him to God. That's your genesis. That's what you guys are going through. The onions is on you. You could have allowed the people of River State to pick, but you chose to influence the situation, and now you are coming to tell us you put him there, he's failing on the agreement, how scale smell. You put it, he's on you. So leave us a comment. Don't forget to please like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember that you have a voice and we cannot be quiet in the face of what is currently going on. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. Remember, we must continue to speak to end every abnormality so that Nigeria can become a better place. Everything that is happening now shows us exactly who these people are, where their heart and their mind is. Yes? Bye for now. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.